Alright, so let's break down digital marketing in a way that actually makes sense. Imagine wanting to share your business, product, or even a personal brand with the world. But instead of billboards or TV ads, you use the internet. That's digital marketing at its core, promoting what you offer using digital channels to reach people where they're already spending their time. Now, digital marketing isn't just one thing. It's a mix of strategies like search engine optimization or SEO, which helps your website show up higher on Google. Content marketing, creating and distributing valuable content people want to read or watch. It's how you tell your story and build trust over time. Social media marketing, Instagram, a place to build community and visual storytelling. Social media marketing, TikTok, short-form video that can spread fast and drive discovery. Email marketing, sending targeted messages to inboxes. Pay-per-click advertising, you only pay when someone clicks. What really sets digital marketing apart is data. You get real-time feedback. Unlike old-school marketing, you can track who's clicking, what they're buying, and how much it's costing you, all instantly. That means you can tweak your campaigns on the go for better results. Test, learn, and iterate quickly. And here's my favorite part: targeting. Digital marketing lets you reach super specific groups of people based on their interests, based on location, or even what they've searched for online. So you're not wasting money shouting into the void. You're speaking directly to the people who care. In short, digital marketing puts you in control. You can reach the people you want, track what's working, and make changes in real time, all without breaking the bank. If you want to grow your brand or business online, digital marketing is where you start. Start small. Pick one channel, measure results, and scale what works.